Have you ever laid in bed at night, thinking about everything you promised yourself you'd do, but didn't? That gym membership you never used, that book you wanted to write, that dream you said you'd chase, but somehow, again, you didn't. You're not lazy, you're not weak. You're just tired of starting over and over again, wondering, why can't I just stay consistent? Let's talk, you and me. No chapters, no fluff. Just the truth. Let me take you back to a moment. A moment you've probably lived many times. It's the night before a big day. You're excited, motivated. You make a plan, wake up early, eat healthy, work out, finish your tasks on time. You even imagine how amazing tomorrow will be. But then, tomorrow comes. You hit snooze. You delay the workout. You scroll on your phone for an hour. You eat whatever's available. And by evening, the guilt starts to settle in. You tell yourself, tomorrow. I'll do better tomorrow. But then the cycle repeats. This is not a lack of information. You know what to do. You've watched the videos, read the books, saved the quotes. It's not knowledge that's missing, it's execution. And when you can't stay consistent, it starts to feel like a personal failure, like maybe something's wrong with you. But let me tell you something you probably haven't heard enough. Nothing is wrong with you. You're just human. And humans don't operate on logic alone. We run on emotion, past experiences, and beliefs that we don't even know we're carrying. So let's peel back the layers. Let's understand what's really stopping you. First, consistency breaks down when there's a disconnect between what you want and what you believe you deserve. You might say, I want to be fit. But deep inside, a voice whispers, you've failed before. You'll fail again. Or, I want to grow this business. But deep down, what if people think I'm not good enough? This conflict creates resistance, and resistance kills momentum. Your brain starts creating reasons not to start. I'm tired. It's not the right time. I'll do it when I feel more confident. Sound familiar? That's not laziness. That's fear in disguise. And unless you acknowledge that fear, it will keep sabotaging you, over and over again. So here's the first step. Stop blaming yourself for being inconsistent. Start getting curious instead. Ask yourself, what am I afraid of? What story am I telling myself? What do I believe will happen if I actually succeed? You'll be surprised how many people fear success more than failure. Because success means responsibility. It means being seen. It means people expecting more from you. And that's scary. So your mind does what it's designed to do, protect you, by keeping you exactly where you are. But here's the truth. Comfort zones aren't comfortable. They're just familiar. And if you want a different life, you'll have to become someone different. Not fake, not someone else, but the version of you that's been buried under doubt, fear, and past hurt. That version of you is consistent. That version of you shows up. That version of you doesn't need permission to try. And to become that version, you have to rewire how you think about consistency. Consistency is not perfection. It's not all or nothing. It's not being motivated every single day. It's doing what needs to be done, even if you do it messy, even if it's not perfect, even if it's hard. Let me give you an example. Think of a child learning to walk. They fall, they cry, they get up, they fall again, over and over, but no one tells them, maybe walking isn't for you. So why do you say that to yourself when you fall? Maybe I'm not disciplined. Maybe I'm just not meant for this. You're just learning. That's it. Let's talk about what really builds consistency. It's not about willpower. That fades. It's about systems, habits, environment. Start small. The brain loves quick wins. Start with something so small it's impossible to fail. Want to journal? Write one sentence. Want to read? Open the book and read one paragraph. Make it obvious. Set your environment up to support you. Put the book on your pillow. Lay your workout clothes next to your bed. Turn off phone notifications during your deep work hours. Track it. What gets measured gets managed. Keep a simple checklist or habit tracker. Ticking that box daily creates dopamine, a reward loop that reinforces the behavior. Forgive quickly. You will mess up. You will miss days. But the goal is not to never fall. It's to never stop getting up. If you miss one day, don't miss two. That's the golden rule of consistency, but let me take you deeper. Consistency also breaks when your why is weak. If your why is to look good for others or gain social approval, it won't last. But if your why is rooted in love, for yourself, for your future, for the people you care about, then no excuse can break it. Ask yourself, why do I really want this? Who will suffer if I don't follow through? What kind of life do I want to look back on? Make your why so personal, so emotional, that giving up becomes more painful than pressing on. Now let's address something you probably face daily. Distractions. Notifications, scrolling, comparison. You open Instagram to post a reel. 30 minutes later, you're watching cat videos. You open YouTube to learn something. Now you're watching drama recaps. It's not your fault. These platforms are engineered to hijack your attention. But if you don't control your environment, it will control you. Unfollow accounts that drain you. Turn off notifications. Use apps like focus mode or Pomodoro timers. Treat your attention like gold. Because it is. Where focus goes, energy flows. And consistency lives where your energy is protected. Now I want to speak to that version of you who's tired. Tired of starting over. Tired of feeling like nothing's working. Tired of feeling behind everyone else. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are exactly where you need to be. Progress is not a straight line. Some days you leap, some days you crawl, but every step counts. Every time you show up, even when it's hard, you're proving to your future self that they can count on you. That's what consistency really is. Self-trust. When you stay consistent, you tell yourself, I matter. My goals matter, my life matters. And that belief changes everything. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one thing, just one, and do it every day for the next 30 days. Not perfectly, just consistently. It could be 5 minutes of journaling, 10 push-ups, 1 glass of water after waking up. Reading 1 page a day, track it, stick to it, celebrate it. And after 30 days, you'll have proof. Proof that you can change. Proof that you're not stuck. Proof that you're powerful, because when you keep your promises to yourself, you become unstoppable. You don't need more goals. You need more belief. You don't need a new version of you. You need to uncover the one that's been hiding. You are capable of staying consistent. You are capable of showing up. You are capable of changing your life. Not someday, not next month, not when everything is perfect. Now start today. And if you fall, rise again tomorrow. Because this time, you won't quit on yourself. Not again. Not ever. You've got this. And I believe in you. The world doesn't need a perfect you. It needs a consistent you, a courageous you, a you who never gives up. So go, be that version, and keep showing up until one day you realize you already are.